Let me tell you a story. Raghav went on a family trip to a very famous summer holiday destination. They reached a railway nearby and it was 11 o'clock in the night. He went on to book a cab and to his surprise, he got to know he can get a cab at 6 am in the morning only. He was not prepared for this situation. He could not leave his family back at the railway station and go and check the hotels. And he cannot take them along with him as the market already closed. So they had to spend the night at railway waiting room in unknown fear. And they reached their destination in the next day morning only. Now let's see what went wrong here. Coming from a metro city, he was not at all prepared for this situation. He never anticipated he will not get a cab 11 o'clock in the night. This is very common thing in metro city. You will get a cab at 11 o'clock. Now for pregnancy also, if you are not prepared, you may miss the necessary things which are actually needed in your pregnancy journey. Hi, I am Smita Pradhan and I will discuss here in detail how you can prepare yourself mentally for your pregnancy. So in my previous video, I have mentioned why it is important to be prepared mentally for your pregnancy. So if you have missed my video previously, you can check here given in the link. Now the first point for pregnancy is discuss with your partner. Pregnancy is a divine journey. It's a blissful experience. So it is not only the mother, the would-be father is equally connected with the baby. All the emotion changes a mom will go through, the father will witness all the same. So apart from the emotional changes, you also need to discuss the finance thing, which doctor to consult and how parent ready you both are. So you can take some time out and you can feel the change you are going through during this journey. You need to let go all the stress out from both the partners. And he is not just your partner, he is your pregnant partner. So if he is aware what emotional and physical changes you are going through during this process, then he will able to support you and your journey will be a relaxed one. Now the next point is consult a good doctor. Now good means it is really an important factor for pregnancy. Doctor's role is not only just to take care your medical needs. He'll understand you, he'll make you to understand the process. He'll know what is best for you. A doctor can suggest what you need at that moment and he will be there to clarify all your mental doubts also. So when you find a good doctor, you just don't go like this doctor is nearby to my house or the neighbor suggested this doctor will go. When you actually find a good doctor, you can feel that connection, some positive connection. Doctor role is very crucial for pregnancy. So make sure you find a best doctor for you. Now next point is know the process. You and your partner are ready. You found a good doctor. So the process is not just only you are aware about the symptoms and the treatments. If you know the whole journey of pregnancy, it will be very helpful for you. So there are many small things in pregnancy which if you are aware, you will be prepared for it. Let's suppose nausea, vomiting, mood swing and morning sicknesses are very common thing. And if you have not expected these things and you will feel panic. So know how pregnancy happen and the changes will happen inside your body. So knowing this process will keep you calm and composed and ready for the process. So the next tip is, do not overthink, do not panic. You found a good doctor, you know the process, so it is very natural you will think about the process continuously. Something will go on inside your mind, and we cannot see what is happening inside our body. So that is that love and the concern for our baby is the very reason of our panic. Nowadays there are lots of information available in over internet, so it is very natural you will be confused. So do not overthink, do not panic. If you have anything in your mind, keep a note of it. You can discuss with your doctor in your next visit. Now next point, let's say yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation are very helpful for normal human being. So for pregnancy also these two play very crucial role. Yoga and meditation not only prepares your body and mind, it helps you to cope up with the emotional ups and downs you may go through during pregnancy. Be prepared to feel the changes happening inside your body, and through yoga and meditation you can definitely feel the change. Now the next point I will suggest here, read some good books. Now good books not only help to keep your mood correct, they will help you keep you informed about your pregnancy, and you may be prepared beforehand. Like not you cannot discuss in detail everything with your doctor. So some points you need to find by yourself through a good pregnancy books. And you can not only pregnancy book, you can pick any favorite book of yours, and the point is to feel positive and relaxed. So here these are some points where I discussed in detail. So following these points you can make sure you are prepared, you are ready, and with a positive mind frame you enter into a pregnancy, and I hope you will have a healthy pregnancy, a happy pregnancy. Like my intention is to give you all the steps, where the simplified pregnancy steps which will be helpful for you. So happy pregnancy to you. If you feel my videos really helpful for you and your friends and your family, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.